Alright, YouTube. So we have an AMG right here. I think it's an AMG GT. You know what I'm saying? Black on black. Well, black on bronze. But it's an AMG GT. You know what I'm saying? Nice car. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I would pick one of these over an Audi R8, bro. Like, Audi R8s are cool, but like this one just like the bands, bro. Bands just go hard, bro. Like they have the, I'm saying, regular interior, but they have the bucket seat options. You know what I'm saying? There's not really much carbon fiber on this car versus the McLaren right here and the Lamborghinis and shit. Well, the Lamborghinis don't got no one either, but this is like a nice car to have. I would pick that one over Audi R8 because I just like, you know what I'm saying, Mercedes Benz. It's just my type. But we also have the green Lambo right here. Feel me? It's a Hurricane Evo. Same thing as the last two we just seen over there. One was over there, but this one hard too. Like they got the black hard top. Feel me? I'm pretty sure it's like, nah, it's not convertible. It's a hard top, but it's nice, bro. It's hard. And then you have a Porsche right here, Spider. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I fuck with the Porsche GT. Them shits hit different, bro. Them GTs, but this one cool too. You know what I'm saying? But if I had to pick out of all these, I'll probably pick the I'll definitely pick the AMG, because the AMG just stand out, but it just hit different, bro. It's just hard. Feel me? And also we had the, you know what I'm saying, nice little McLaren right here. And then you have the green, another green McLaren pretty much. Feel me? Like I said again, bro, McLaren, bro, when you look at them, bro, it's kind of like nothing too different about it, nothing too crazy about it. It's just the spec is different because of the engine and shit, so it gives you more horsepower or whatever. And yeah, but if you look at it, it's basically the same shit. But this one do got more carbon fiber option though than this one. Feel me? Got the carbon fiber all the way around it. You know what I'm saying? The vent right here is carbon fiber. You feel me? Side mirror is carbon fiber. So I guess you do get a lot of carbon fiber for your money, but then again, like I said again, I'll definitely pick the GT. Not if a McLaren, I ain't gonna lie, but the McLaren just, the butterfly, they'll just hit different, bro. Like, hold on, I'll probably pick the GT over Audi R8 for sure. But I will get a McLaren though. But it has to be like a 600 LT or like the McLaren, I forgot what it's called, but like the highest one that you can get. I'll probably get that, but this is cool too. And also, like, I fought with the 720s too. They cool. 720s are fire. I fought with them. They cool. But yeah, look at this shit, man. Nice car, bro. Well, we have a couple cars down here too. I'm gonna show y'all too, bro. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me get y'all some good content, man. Let me get some good content, cause I feel like I ain't seen y'all in so long. See, another McLaren. Another McLaren. I think this was Dolph McLaren, if I'm not sure. All but the young Dolph, man. Feel me? We have a Maserati. Them shit trash. You have an M4 right here. Nice little M4. The interior is crazy. Like, the interior is fucking insane, bro. You feel me? This is hard. And then you have a Nissan GTR. Yeah, I would definitely pick a GTR over Audi R8 too. Japanese made car, bro. Shit, this shit right here, bro. This the one. Like, this shit right here, the one for real. Alright, so look at this old McLaren they got here, bro. I don't know exactly what type of McLaren this is, but this shit is old as fuck. That's all I know for a fact. It's not that old, but like, well, this is right here. It's hard though. I'm saying, get the brown seat on there. Y'all know, like, McLaren interior is like the same shit pretty much. It's not really nothing too crazy about it but we got this one right here, and then you got the red one. The red one hard. The red one is tough. Like, look at this joint, bro. Red McLaren. You feel me? This joint crazy. You got the black and red gut. Nice little steering wheel. Not too crazy. And then you have another gray right here. Like, as y'all can see, but the inside of this shit, bro, it's like all the same for like, it's not really no big like major changes for besides like the specs and the engine and shit. But overall, all this shit's like the same. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking with it though. You feel me? I'm fucking with it. It's cool. It's not a bad car. It's a 570 GT. It's not bad. Like, I fuck with it. Feel me? But if I had to pick though, between all three of these, like, between the black one right here, the black one, the red one, and the gray one, I'll probably get the red one, just cause like the red one just got like, the red one got more carbon fiber option than the rest, because the black one only got carbon fiber, but the red one got more carbon fiber option for me. And the gray one cool too, but again, like I said again, like, I fuck with the red because it just stand out more. Like, it's more like my type of, you feel me? But it's cool though. And they have a couple audio down there. I'm gonna show you the audio real quick too, so I can see it. I'll show you real quick. You got the black one, feel me? I don't know exactly what year this is, but you know what I'm saying, audio 8. Feel me? Smooth. They got the V10 in the back. Not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I think it's supposed to be like twin turbo on this shit. But, and you have the other one right here. Really the same car. You feel me? Really the same thing for real. It's just this one got the red interior. Nice red interior. And then it's black with the chrome rims, black on black. I like black on black. It just stand out more to me. I don't know. And then you have this one right here. You know what I'm saying? Red. I don't know, y'all. Something like the rim is throwing me off a little bit. Like, I'm not really fucking with the rim. But you do have the carbon fiber option with the side mirror. And then the side fenders, you got carbon fiber option too, which is cool. And then you got the wings in the back. I mean, they all got wings in the back, but you got the carbon fiber. I feel like this one got more carbon fiber than this one right here. And it's looking like the white one might be like a newer version too, but this one just got more carbon fiber option, because if you look at the wings right here, that's like a regular wings, you know what I'm saying? It's not nothing too crazy, it's just regular. You feel me? But it's still a nice car. Because I can see like the difference. The side fender right here, this is regular black, and this one is just more carbon fiber. I can see that, but it's cool though. I'm saying, cool little car to have. Me personally, I probably like wouldn't get one because I'm not really a big fan of an Audi. I'm more like I told y'all, I'm more like I fuck with McLaren too, but like, I'm more like a Lamborghini type of nigga. Like, I like Lamborghini and Ferraris. Like, Ferrari's like my dream car. Like, I want a Ferrari for my dream car. So I'll probably pass on these. I probably won't get none of this because, yeah, it's not my speed. It's not my type. You know what I'm saying? It's not my type of car. Like it's hard though. Like, the body's hard and shit, but just like, I feel like a Ferrari just hit different, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you more cars. Stay tuned. Let's get it.